mapa-stay sa bansang Japan.
Here we go, partner. Round 1, 1-2 by Gaspar. Doubled up on that attack. Pakamalan goes to the body. Oh, a huge jab by Joji Pakamalan.
A left jab, a left jab.
Which earned him that 8th count against Aaron Gaspar.
What a show of sign of respect for Pakamalan. Pwede niyang pakawalan yon, pero he did not pull the trigger kasi nasa baba na si Gaspar.
Yes, so here you have it. Body shots by Pakamalan. Gaspar is trying to counter, but a warning is given to Pakamalan against a rabbit punch, which is a punch at the back of the head.
Na napakadelikado, partner. Marami nang nadisgrasyang mga fighter na best because of hitting below. I mean
the back of
the head. So very, very good. Should I say eagle eye of referee Alanita. And I think he could be given a 5-minute rest dun sa nangyaring yan.
One famous fighter na natamaan ng ganyan, si Pritchard Colon, 'di ba, partner, yung binigyan ng honorary belt ng WBC kasi yun nga, he was given that honor of surviving.
Ganda nung countering ng Pakamalan, partner, no?
Short but sweet.
He is waiting Gaspar to make the mistake, then magka-counter siya.
And staying inside the pocket, look how he closes the distance. He slips but he tries to stay within range kasi mas matangkad tong si Gaspar eh. So hindi siya pwedeng lumayo. Kung hindi, nandun siya sa range ni Gaspar.
No doubt may power yung Joji Pakamalan. Pero kung lalo mo pang tatrabahuin yung footwork nito, I think he will be equally dangerous fighter.
Right.
Kasi
final 30 seconds and another 8 count given to Aaron Gaspar.
Second knockdown of the round.
Consecutive left hooks and another hook. I think that's enough. Wow. Of course, our maagap na referee getting the mouth guard, trying to pacify, Aaron Gaspar, prevents him from standing up. We don't want that sudden movement, after that knockdown. There you have it.
Kung makikita mo, partner, dalawang overhand ang tumama na malakas kay Aaron Gaspar.
And before that, left hooks na yung tumama,
So, sabi ko nga sa'yo, Joji Pakamalan has a power.
Right.
There's no doubt. But they must work on the footwork para mas maging complete fighter. But right now, he is still undefeated with 2-0 record. I'm speaking about Joji Pakamalan.
Hindi pa po lumalaban si Gino Rodrigo. One more fight before this. And then we have the main event. Joji Pakamalan from Misamis Oriental. Sabi ni Joniel Sabella, congratulations daw. John Resty Perez, Fernando Tagbuno, all sending their congratulations kay Joji Pakamalan.
Who knows? Maybe Joji Pakamalan yung hinahanap talaga ng Philippine boxing. You will never know. Kasi when Senator Manny Pacquiao nung nagsisimula siya sa blow by blow, wala rin talagang pumapansin sa kanya. Not until he climbed the ranks. So, sana supportahan natin si Joji Pakamalan dito sa baba pa lang hanggang sa pag-akyat niya sa kanyang karera sa boxing.
Sabi ni Dodsky lang po, malago rin yung lakas ni Joji Pakamalan, parang bagyo, no? Yung speaking of bagyo, mag-ingat po tayong lahat sa mga apektado ng bagyo. Iba yung pag-iingat lamang po Sabi ni James Pakamalan, congratulations daw sa utol niya.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a big round of applause for a quick recovery.
Yes, of course. That is a win to celebrate, no? Na walang masamang
Of course, of
nangyari.
course.
Oo.
And also, we also give praise to the hardworking men and women dun sa GAB at saka dun sa medics na mabilis sila.
Right. Totoo yan, partner. We don't take these things lightly, especially, yun na nga, may mga unfortunate events tayo in the past
Oo.
na may mga nawala sa atin na mga dear boxers natin. So ngayon, we're really taking precaution, no?
Shoutout daw, sabi ni Arnel Boconaes, Hika Painay family. Salamat po sa panonood nyo dyan, dyan sa Hikap Nainay family. Coming from Arnel Baconaje.
Aaron Robante, congrats daw kay Joji Pakamalan.
Your official time, 2 minutes and 14 seconds of round number 1. Winner by knockout, Joji Pakamalan.
Okay. Congratulations, Joji Pakamalan. Winning a first round knockout, partner.
Yes.